Stop drowning your chicken in BBQ sauce. An Italian would never. Sauce is how you hide bad skin. I make mine crackle instead. 3 moves, 1 Sicilian finish, stay for it. Backbone out with the shears. Press it flat. Flat means even cooking. Every part hits temp together. Trim the extra skin. Then torch off the leftover feathers. Small detail, big difference. In a bowl, 3 rubs, my spiced rub, a Mediterranean one, classic SPG. And here's the trick, a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda raises the pH on the skin. Higher pH browns faster and pulls moisture out, so it crisps instead of steaming. Rub every side. No rub under the skin this time. The crunch comes from the pan later. My balcony, my regal. Into the fridge overnight, uncovered, no plastic wrap. The skin has to dry out completely. Dry skin is the whole game. Remember that. Next morning, pat it dry with paper towel. Then 1 more hit of the Mediterranean rub. Fresh layer, fresh aroma, right before the smoke. Same balcony rig as my chuck roast, Traeger on apple pellets, running at 120 Celsius. Low and slow. Apple gives that deep, smoky backbone that stands up to the lemon later. If you missed that cook, the card's right up there. New balcony cook every week. Hit subscribe. Probe into the thickest part of the breast, not touching bone. Target 75. Then close the lid and let the smoke do the work. And toss a few lemon slices on the grill. They cook down beside the bird. We'll need them later. Stay for it. The smoker won't crisp the skin. Crank the heat and the balcony fills with smoke. A cast iron pan works, but it's pricey, and not everyone has one. So I finish it indoors. Non-stick pan, a little oil on the stove. Skin down, but keep the heat medium. Too hot and you scorch the rub. Listen to that. Sfrigolio. Now the Sicilian part. Salmoriglio. Olive oil. The juice from that grilled lemon. A pinch of the Mediterranean rub. Whisk it till it turns cloudy. Spooned over at the end, never during. It stays fresh, the skin stays crisp. This is what an Italian would actually do. Rest it at 5 minutes, let the juices settle, then carve. Listen, that crack is the skin. That's the whole point. First bite, nothing on it. Crispy skin, super tender meat. Already good. Now the Salmoriglio. Sharp, herby, fresh. It cuts straight through the smoke. That's a Sicilian summer right there. Simply Spaziale.